Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to make a call but didn't have your phone handy? Maybe you were in the shower, or perhaps you'd simply forgotten your device. Wouldn't it be great if you could make calls from any phone? Anywhere? Well, with Ooma you can. Today we're going to walk you through the simple process of registering your Ooma phone, so you can stay connected no matter where you are. Ooma is a revolutionary VoIP, voice over internet protocol, service that allows you to make and receive calls using your internet connection. It's like having a traditional landline, but with added flexibility and features. By registering your Ooma phone, you're essentially connecting your device to your Ooma account, allowing you to make calls using the Ooma app or a compatible phone. Step-by-step guide. Download the Ooma app. The first step is to download the Ooma app on your smartphone. You can find it in the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once downloaded, install the app and open it. Create an Ooma account. If you don't already have an Ooma account, you'll need to create one. This is a simple process that involves providing your basic information, such as your name, email address, and phone number. Sign into your account. After creating your account, sign in to the Ooma app using your login credentials. Add a phone. The next step is to add your phone to your Ooma account. This can be done in a few simple clicks. Look for the Add Phone option in the app and follow the on-screen instructions. Verify your phone number. Once you've added your phone, you'll need to verify your phone number. Ooma will send you a verification code via SMS or a phone call. Enter the code into the app to verify your number. Set up your Ooma number. After verifying your phone number, you can set up your Ooma number. This is the number that people will call to reach you. You can choose a number from Ooma's available inventory or port your existing number. Register your Ooma phone. Once you've set up your Ooma number, your phone is essentially registered. You should now be able to make and receive calls using your Ooma account. Additional tips. Check your internet connection. For optimal performance, ensure you have a strong and stable internet connection. Update the Ooma app. Keep your Ooma app up to date with the latest version to enjoy new features and bug fixes. Explore Ooma features. Ooma offers a variety of features, such as voicemail, call forwarding, and caller ID. Explore these features to enhance your calling experience. And there you have it. Registering your Ooma phone is a straightforward process that can greatly enhance your communication capabilities. By following these steps, you can enjoy the flexibility and convenience of making and receiving calls from any phone, anywhere. With Ooma, you'll never miss a call again. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, sources and related content.